So this is the event in the event viewer. So the password stored in Credential Manager is invalid. Okay. So when you try to put into the Credential Manager, for sure you don't see it at all. It's just some unrelated here. So it's not related with this account. Okay. So then you need to download this package from Microsoft Store. Okay, and you need to run known as administrator. So you go to your directory. So I already got here. So basically just go to your downloaded folders, then you run restore. CMD, make sure you are in the same folder, run it. So after you in a new command window, so this command will bring the Credential Manager. So here you go. This is stored username and password. So you have one here, sure. And if you add it, you can see this is the one you're looking for. And you can remove it, close.